Hello guys, good morning. Today, we're going to show you kung paano lulutuin yung paksiw. One of my favorite dish na kinakain ko. Namimiss ko talaga to, kaya ginagawa namin ito today. Kaya, kung gusto mo rin na masarap yung paksiw na gagawin mo, watch this. Una, you have to cut all the spices like garlic, ginger, and onion. Then after all the spices, you can start cutting the fish. Para siguradong malinis, dapat hugasan afterwards. After cutting all the ingredients, pwede mo na yun ilagay sa lutuan. Lagyan ng magic sarap para mas lalong masarap. Tapos, lagyan ng asin, konting suka, at tubig. That's it. Pwede mo na yan ilagay sa apoy. Pagkaluto na yan, sobrang sarap. Subukan mo.